APT-SW115 is a new type of industrial vehicle product between ordinary electric truck and AGV. APT-SW115, compared with traditional AGV vehicles, the overall cost is reduced by about 50%. APT-SW115 adopts manual operation mode to pick, unload cargo. The operator distributes tasks independently through the vehicle display without scheduling system. After the vehicle receiving the command, the laser slam navigation automatically performs the handling task. Navigation module is designed to separate from vehicle module. In the same vehicle module, slam navigation based on different LiDAR can be supported according to the application scenarios. The combination of manual control and automatic operation fully frees up manual participation in the transportation process and reduces labor costs. Emergency stop button, mechanical safety protection device, ultrasonic obstacle detection sensor, laser obstacle detection sensor, and other multiple protections to realize vehicle operation safety in various states. If the vehicle battery is less than 30%, the autonomous alarm will prompt, and if it is less than 10%, it will stop autonomously. At this time, the new battery can be quickly replaced directly to restore the vehicle to working condition. The charging methods are diversified, and the battery can be charged separately. The vehicle can also be charged directly. Noblelift integrate with wisdom to add value to the global manufacturing industry.